Hi friends, today I am again present before you with a video in which I will just discuss the reason of fabric defects due to printing. Now as we have seen that nobody requires a defective fabric, neither nobody wants to produce a defective fabric. Now what are the reasons for that? The first reason is that either we are not following the standard operating procedures in the factory. Second one is the less worker awareness. The third is the if the machine is not working okay. So the in the printing defects of the fabric, what the first defect which normally takes place here, that is the misprint. Now why the print miss? This is due to the improper leveling of the printing table. Now, why the leveling is not there? It may be due to floor. Second, it may be due to the leveling of the table. Or the third one is so the worker awareness, lack of worker awareness. So these are some of the causes, and in order to avoid this defect, that is the misprint, you have to level the print table, level the floor, and at the same time you have to aware the worker. Now, the second defect is called cut print. Now, why the cut print takes place? Wherever there is any crease in the fabric before you start printing, at the edges or fine printing, fine crease is there. So this causes. So in order to avoid this particular defect, what you have to do before doing the printing, these type of crease, fine crease, you must remove in that. Now another reason for this outprint. Now what is the reason of outprint? Again, when the spreading of the fabric is there on the table, then uneven tension in the width of the fabric would lead to this particular problem, variation in width wise tension. Now, in order to avoid that, first we have to educate the worker. The second, the setting of the railing must be there. Now, another is the choked print. Now, the choking of the print takes place a screen, that is due to dust, dirt, color, foreign material, or some insect is there which has fallen down on the screen. So this result in this particular problem, which is called chalk print. So corrective action is, first you have to ensure that the screen must be properly cleaned before use. Another is the mixing of the color must be proper. And the third reason which we normally take is that the education of the worker awareness must be there before going for that. Now the next reason is light and dark print. Now light and dark print occurs if the pressure of the roller or the hand is uneven. So in this case, if the pressure of the squeeze while printing is not okay, the pressure is not okay, so what do you have to do? proper mixing of the color should be there. Then another is that worker, you have to ensure the proper training and education of the workers, then proper maintenance of the leveling and printing tables. Now another problem which takes place is the print joint. The printing joint normally comes first reason when the printing table is defective and unlevel, or repeat of the design not completely taken on screen. And the third ones, it is due to the worker negligence. So what are the remedies? So remedies, first is the setting and leveling of the printing tables must be ensured before working on that. Then the repeat marks on the screen printing table is properly adjusted as per the repeat on the screen. And third one is educating the worker. So dear friends, if we summarize the faults, cause and remedies, so there are certain things which have been repeated. The first is awareness of the worker, educating the worker, skill of the worker, and fourth one is if the table is unleveled or the floor is unleveled, so that means my maximum number of problems or the defective fabric is avoided if I act on this. So that's all for today. I hope that you will like this video. Please like, share and subscribe this channel with your friends. Okay, have a nice day.